Oh, kiunan man na siya kuha niya. Wala yung dahon.
Ano niya?
Ay, dili na mo isago ng dahon.
Kana si Blanca na.
Si Blanca na.
Hello guys.
Nasa sa ay sili.
Nakalingi. Nakalingi sila pag ingon ako, hello guys.
Oh, part 2 na siya.
Ang problema sa hello ka, mag-vlog na sa siya. Anak ka dis na pamansin sa ako, kay busy kayo.
This is a good.
So naanasad ni karon sa Lantapan. It's our 8th Sunday nga naa sa Lantapan. Ga-lunch. Hello, permanente ta diri ga-lunch no. Maingan mi kang tita siya. Ayan mi ipa-lunch. So kamulo siya gahagpat og say mo gahagpat na
Kala, sungo.
kamulo siya hagpat sa iyang kuan kailangan gyud daw tagsara gyud kadahon dili na nga magtanawa. Tanawa. Oh, iyan pa yun ang kailangan gyud daw isa gyud daw kadahon dili pwede nga mag tulo lima.
Dapat faithful, faithful.
My God! Wow!
Isagol niya sa
Daw lang manok.
and karon hala di naman ta magtagalog kay human naman ang August.
Oh.
Here's Beshi again.
Magisa na punta og masustansyang
Ano yan lutoon kay
Anang kangkong.
siya ay tawag ani?
Para na sa baboy.
Sa name ana Beshi?
Adobong kangkong.
Nagluto siya og adobong kangkong. So kamulo na niya ginagisa. First, we'll gisa the corn. Alam mo, English na sa kay September. Kasi man naman ang corn. First, we will saute the onion and the garlic. Okay.
Of course.
Beshi,
So,
we will speak only English, okay?
okay. Ah. So, karon.
So we're done with the
So now,
Tagalog speaking.
So now,
So
how to cook that this is the onions and garlic
yes.
until they're golden brown. Yes. Yes. Yeah. It's true.
So,
golden
yes.
brown, of
So,
course. And also, the next step is to put the kangkong. Yeah.
No, the kangkong is Tagalog and Bisaya. What is the English of kangkong?
I don't know. I don't know. What is called that is English that?
What's the English of kangkong?
Yes.
The English of kangkong is spinach. That's water spinach.
What really? What really? It's something this. What really?
We just saute the kangkong.
Oops.
Oops.
Oops. Okay.
The Tagalog of oops is oops. If it's English, it's oops.
Oops.
We will just wait.
Okay, you have the smooth the what really? Also as kangkong, I don't know, did not like
What did
this.
you say?
Oh.
You smoothen the
Just
kangkong.
very smooth the taste is like this. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay, so
So,
okay.
okay.
After that, you put the number one the most this is oyster sauce. Yes.
The most what?
oyster sauce and just slowly. Slowly.
You put the
a little
oyster
bit,
sauce in
little
slow
bit,
motion.
just little bit lang.
What? A little bit?
Because you can taste it is the salted sweet. Yes, salted and sweet.
Yes. The taste of the oyster sauce is a little salty and a little sweet.
Yes.
So what's next? Sushi.
And it's that I not put the the sabaw. The English soup.
What is the English of sabaw?
Soup.
Soup.
Soup na no need to na put the not attached. Not attached.
Do not touch the water.
Okay, so again, what it is, And until the cook, do not overcook. Okay, so
How are you
let's
gonna
wait for a
not
while,
overcook?
a few minutes.
So, okay, we're
Of
gonna wait.
course, let's wait for a while. So,
We're going to wait for
oh,
how
wait.
many minutes, Beshi?
Just like a few seconds.
Seconds? 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, no more sabaw.
Okay. No need to sabaw. This is very smooth and moisturizer in the
So this is
kangkong.
the
Yes.
sauteed kangkong
So
a
how
la
it tastes?
Beshi wap. Is it cooked already, Beshi?
Yeah, that's all. It's really very easy.
The
It's
fire
not
is
long
there.
time to cook. It's a very fast.
So,
The fast in the cook in kangkong. Yeah, right.
the first one, the cook.
So easy. It's
So this
really
is
cool.
how easy.
Very easy.
Very easy to prepare
Yes,
the sauteed
perfect.
kangkong.
So, how it
Adobong
tastes?
kangkong.
How it tastes?
So let's have a taste. So you video me, Beshi wap.
Okay. So go.
So I'm
Oh, what
going
is
to,
it? Get the.
can I borrow the churba?
Okay. So
So where I'm going to get the, okay, this one.
yes.
This is hagpatais by Pia. Pia, why is this so long? So we're going to taste the kangkong.
How is it?
It tastes better than your boyfriend. Not special up.
Well.
It's very good. So the kangkong is ready and the
Sinonang manok. and
Sinongol
also
manok.
as chicken. The man. What and the man is to abis in the kilaw.
the man is on tour.
It's ongoing.
The ongoing tour of the boots
The
of the
very-
Kinilaw.
Very
This is a Bangus Kinilaw by Boots. Pia,
Ah.
what is the English of Kinilaw? Kenneth, what is the English of Kinilaw?
I don't know.
How about you?
I don't know. And I'm not otherwise it's easy speaking.
Did you know that the English of Kinilaw is ceviche?
Huh?
Ceviche. Okay, let's see if it's right. Ceviche. You Google it. What is the English of Kinilaw? Yeah, that's ceviche. Ceviche.
Familiar.
I'm not sure of the kuan. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. Okay, you ask the Google. So, we have here a ripe, super ripe, overripe,
Very sweet.
very sweet.
Very sweet.
What do you call this one? Papaya. And here is a not so very ripe papaya. So what's that, Pia? You show me what you're holding, Pia. Adobong kangkong. This is adobong kangkong
Wow.
It's the
by
most Filipino
Beshi
dish
Ryan.
in Kangkong.
We have here native chicken tinola
Hello?
by si Sean and a kangkong, adobong kangkong by Beshi Ryan. The ceviche
Ceviche.
milk fish by peeled papaya peeled by Kenneth, the juice by Pia Guanyong. Wala ko sa akong roll. Wala ko yung roll. Ako nagbuhat.
Yung video.
And I'm the videographer of them all. Shan, what is the English of Kinilaw?
Raw fish.
The dish. The dish, not the fish.
Sa to? Ano sabi itong?
Ceviche.
Sashimi? Ano to?
Ceviche.
Sashimi.
Sashimi.
The truth is a ceviche. It's the truth.
Ceviche.
Unsa?
It's ceviche, Pia.
Ceviche.
Kamu ko kinilaw na pali. Pero nung gusto-gusto ka yung kakaon na tayo. Gusto-gusto ka.
Nasa lang.